Undubisi! Undubisi! Hi! I don't think anyone is home.
Anyone? There is only one person living in this apartment. And the door inside is open, so I guess he's indoor.
Undubisi!
Whoa, you can try your luck.
Undubisi!
Undu!
You see what I told you? Eh? This is not the right place.
Baby, why are you scared?
Please, you have to go.
I'm not going anywhere. See, you have to tell her off. This is your opportunity.
You can't be serious. You can't be. It's not. Just tell her off like that.
Baby, she's a married woman. Please let her go.
You can't.
Please.
Undubisi, I know you are indoor. Come and open this gate for me.
Please,
I'm not going anywhere.
You have to go.
No, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
Undubisi! I will put down this gate, oh!
Follow the back door. Follow the backyard door. Enter your flat. Please, please, please. I don't want problem. Go.
Undubisi! Undubisi! Undubisi, where is she? Where is that idiot that you're hiding in here?
Where is who?
She!
I don't know what you are talking about. I've been in this house alone.
Undubisi, where is that cheap prostitute that you're hiding in here? I swear to God, if I catch her, I will break her head.
There's nobody here. I've been here alone. Eh? Been here alone. I don't know what I'm talking about. Search everywhere. There's nobody here. Yeah? There's nobody here. And you know I love you.
You're messing with my emotions and I don't like it.
How now?
Undubisi, if I find out that you're cheating on me, I will kill you. You have no right to be with another woman. I own you.
You know I love you silly, like a silly boy. And you know, it's not possible. I cannot cheat on you now. And you know you.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Very sure. In fact, let me show you how sure I am. Eh?
Oh! Wait.
Some women are truly shameless. A married woman having a secret love affair to fear abomination. Look, where I come from, it kills without mercy. You don't get this. You're not understanding what I'm saying. Dubisi was even scared of her. If you see the way he was shivering, follow back, follow front. What do you expect? Yes, what do you expect? It seems she's bankrolling him.
Really?
Yes. Okay. Since she has money to throw around, right? Then I will have my own share of the national cake. Yes, that money will go round. That money, babe, trust me. Hold on. Just hold on.
What?
I thought you love him.
Oh, that?
I thought I love him. Yes, I love him, but not after his show of cowardice. I need a real man. No, babe, I need someone that will love me. I need love. You know how I needed this relationship. But trust me, babe, I will scatter his relationship and I will dump his axe. Yes. Ma, that is how annoying I am. Just let it be. Okay? Just let it go. You don't have to. It's not necessary. It's not? Yes. Says who? Says who? Pastor wife, says who? Look, I've said my own. What do you expect? You didn't know he has a girlfriend before you throw yourself at him. Hey, don't start, please. Oh, don't even try it. English teacher. You have to fight him. Said my own. No.
Living in this house is like living in hell. Sometimes I think I've made the greatest mistake of my life.
My daughter, it can never be easy for a woman to share her husband with another woman. Yes, you married your sister's husband.
Point of correction, Mama. Tony loves me. He had wanted to marry me first before your daughter manipulated him.
Oh, she did.
Oh, yes! She did with her pregnancy, Mama. You and I know that. Yes, she did.
Adamu, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
No.
Mama, what did you just call her? Ada? Mama, I am your Ada. And I wouldn't let you call her Ada in my presence. That's disrespectful. That is my right and I won't let anyone take it from me.
Keep holding on to this title because that's the only thing you will ever have for the rest of your life. Ada. How beautiful.
Did you just talk to me?
And if I speak to you, what will you do, Uju?
Leave me, Mama! Ujuma! Oh my God! Ujuma, what is this? Oh my God!
She pushed my stomach!
Mama,
I'm dying!
okay.
I'm dying!
Mama, it's okay.
Mama, please!
okay.
Ujuma, what is it? What have you done?
I didn't kick her stomach.
I didn't kick her
stomach.
I didn't touch her tongue. She kicked my tongue. I didn't kick your tongue. I just slapped her. You did? She kicked my tummy. Mama, please, Mama, you will kill me.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean
You didn't mean to what? She's pregnant, for Christ's sake! Do you want to kill her? Is that your plan?
No, she started it. Ask Mama.
I'm not asking anybody. What's your problem? Is that how far you go to eliminate your own sister? You didn't mean to.
No, Tony, I said, Mama said
Look,
something.
I've seen having you around in this house with us is dangerous. Okay? I don't want to lose her. I don't want to lose my child.
My in-law.
Mama, please, stay away from this.
Hey!
Stay away from this. What nonsense. You didn't mean to. You didn't mean to.
Thank you, Auntie.
I can't believe you're serving in this town. And you're just coming to see me. Where do you stay?
Auntie, it's not like that, so.
So how is it? How is it? Anyway, go and pack your things and come over here. You'll stay here with me. The house is big enough for us. I have vacant rooms everywhere. So.
Auntie, it's not busy for me now.
Okay. Your boyfriend will not allow you.
Auntie.
Then what?
There is nothing like that, Auntie. Okay, don't worry. Once I'm chance, I'll come and stay with you. Yeah?
I beg you.
Auntie, what about brother Tony? How is he?
Tony is fine and he's married now.
Really?
Yes. I think you should go and see him. He will be so happy to see you.
Okay. Yes, I'll go and see him.
It's fine.
I don't know what to do. Lord, please come to my aid. I'm in sorrow. Lord, please come to my aid. My life is shambles. Lord, please come to my aid. I'm crying day and night. I don't know what to do. Lord, please come to my aid. I'm in sorrow. Lord, please come.
You went to the club again.
And when has clubbing become a bad thing to do? Besides, we met in club
Have you forgotten?
You're not feeling fine. You should go see the doctor.
I'll be fine. Just a little hangover.
Let this be the last time you will leave this house to clubbing. You were a married woman, for Christ's sake.
Really? Okay.
Clean up and go see the doctor.
Hey.
Where are you going?
I have an appointment with the doctor this morning.
You didn't tell me about it.
Well, maybe if you were not in a haste to leave the room, you would have overheard my conversation with him.
Okay, let me finish up so I can drop you off then.
That won't be necessary. I called the cab already. He'll be here shortly. Mama?
Yeah, my dear. My son. My daughter. I would like to return to the village so that I can go and take care of my chickens, my goats, and also my farms. Biko, you have tried so much for me. Eh? Yes. And I am wondering if you have considered my request, because it's very, very important to me. Oh, my in-law.
What request? Sorry.
Mama, this is not the time for this. Please.
What is she talking about?
Babe, Mama suggested we have a court wedding. She's actually saying we have that before the baby, and I told her that we're yet to decide on that.
Is that true?
Of course. Right, Mama?
Yes, it's true, my son. It's true.
Well, you have nothing to worry about. We'll walk around it definitely. Yeah. And whenever you're ready to go, just let me know so I can drop you off at the park. Eh?
Honey, that won't be necessary. Why do you want to stress yourself? I have a cabman. He can come pick Mama. He can even take her to the village.
Okay,
of course.
That's quite better. Alright, I have to run along. Let me dispose this, eh? Yes, I'll see you guys later now.
Okay.
Alright, babe. Let me know, yeah?
Have a great day.
You too, bye.
Bye-bye.
Mama, what's the meaning of that? What's the meaning of that? That thing you were about to do, what's the meaning of that?
Apart from that, did you feel anything else?
Body pains and weakness. I may have malaria or something.
Well, your test results will guide us. Anyway, as you can see, this is hospital. We do not treat. Oh.
Sorry, the test results requested.
Oh, okay. All right. Hold on. Come, please. Are you sure this result?
Yes, it has an amount.
There may be a mix-up in the lab. You know what? You take this thing back to the lab technician. Tell her I'm very much interested in this case. she should re-examine it again, okay? Just please take it back to her. Go.
Doctor, I hope there is no problem.
No. There's nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about.
How dare you cheat on me? After everything I have done for you? How dare you cheat on me with this cheap prostitute?
You are very stupid. You are mad. Look at you as if you are not getting anything in return. Come to think of it, you and I, who is a prostitute here? Who is the biggest prostitute here?
Hey, stay away from this. This is between my boyfriend and I. So stay clear from it.
Did I hear you call your boyfriend? Did you say your boyfriend? Oh, you are shameless. You are a disgrace. A married woman like you seeing a man outside her home? You are a disgrace to womanhood.
Yeah.
If you dare me, if you try it, I will beat you blue and black. I will disfigure your face. Try it.
It's not your fault. Ndubisi, you had the guts to bring this thing from the streets into my house.
I'm sorry.
A house that I paid and furnished with my hard-earned money.
I'm sorry.
How dare you?
I'm sorry.
Did you just say you are sorry?
You have to go.
Go where? I'm not going anywhere.
Mama, you can go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Mama, go. Let her. Please.
Can you see the embarrassment you've caused me?
Mama, go now. Mama, I say go.
Stop! Why are you doing this? Just quit this relationship.
Go! I'll give you one.
You don't like. Stop!
Leave this place. Oh yeah, get. I'll slap you so. Please. Please.
Sorry. I'm sorry for the delay. The result is ready.
Doctor, what did the results say?
Congratulations. You're pregnant.
No, doctor. Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten that I have no womb?
Yes.
I can't possibly be pregnant.
Well, but your womb was not practically removed. It only had holes. You see, who are we to question God? Besides, medically, in this situation, it's possible. And that was why I asked you both to pray for a miracle like this. Anyway, once again, congratulations. So, here's the result.
I don't know what to do. Lord, please come to my aid. I'm in sorrow. Lord, please come to my aid. My life is shambles. Lord, please come to my aid. I'm crying day and night. I don't know what to do. Lord, please come to my aid. I'm in sorrow. Lord, please come to my aid. My life is shambles. Lord, please come to my aid. I am
Brother Tony, good afternoon.
Afternoon. What are you doing here?
Auntie gave me your house address. I've been calling your line, but you're not picking.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Maybe I didn't know it's your number. I don't pick numbers I don't know. Huh?
Maybe, because I called and called.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, ma'am. What are you doing here?
I came to check my clothes.
Oh, okay. Okay, in that case, let's go to my house now. It's not far from here.
Okay, let me just tell you, ma.
Auntie, I'll come back later. Okay.
Uzioma.
Brother, I'm happy that I saw you here.
Same here.
I've been calling and calling. I'm even tired.
Sorry.
Is this true? Yes. Congratulations! Congratulations! Oh my goodness. This is amazing. I am happy for you. Thank you. Congratulations, babe. I am happy for you. This is amazing. Wow.
The doctor had to run the test twice just so he could be sure of what he saw. And guess what? Both results turned out positive. All positive.
This is good news. This calls for celebration. Hey!
I wish I'm this happy.
What are you saying? Why are you not happy? You should be singing and dancing to the Lord. Huh? I am sure Tony will be happy to hear about this good news.
No.
I can't wait for him to hear this.
No way. He doesn't have to know. Okay? Please, at least not now.
Are you insane? Why? He's your husband. He deserves to know. So when do you intend to tell him? 1 month or 2 months or 3 months? I don't understand.
As long as it takes. As long as it takes.
Brother Tony, your house is so beautiful. I love it.
Thank you. So how is Somadina? Somadina must have been a very, very big boy right now.
Yeah, you're right. He's in Germany now.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. He's schooling in Germany, though.
Yes, of course.
Lovely. So how is your parents, your dad, your mom, everyone?
Everybody's fine. Auntie told me you're married. Congratulations.
Thank you. I had a very, quiet and concise marriage, My wife just stepped out to the hospital. If not, you'll see her to say hello.
Bro, your wife must be a lucky woman.
Help me tell her that when you see her. That's nice. So, you're welcome, madam.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Hello, ma. What? She fought you? Calm down. I'll call you later, okay? I'll call you. Alright.
I hope there's no problem.
No, everything's fine. It's something I can handle.
Please don't be angry. I was jealous and alone. I did not see anybody. I said, let me use that gate to keep me company.
Ondobisi, can you just listen to yourself? You were jealous.
See, you go home and stay with your husband in the night. But Uko will be catching me here. I'll be holding pillow. So I say, it's not like I'm sorry.
Ondobisi, that man is my husband. He pays for the bills. And yours as well. What is wrong with you?
Please forgive me. I'm sorry. It will not happen again.
Well, there's nothing to be sorry about. It was all my fault.
How?
I caused all of this. I have to go back to my husband. I have to go back to the man that loves and cares for me.
No, don't say that. Don't do this thing now. Eh? I love you. Don't do this thing now. How do you want me to feel?
Yeah. Ondobisi, I have come to realize that I have been making a very big mistake. I've been hurting that innocent man. All he has ever done was to love me and my son. I want to go back home to the man that loves me and make amends. I'm sorry, I cannot do all of this drama anymore.
See, Mr. Trouble, this one is called breakfast in bed. Eh? Breakfast in bed. Heartbreak. How will I do? How will I get money to pay for this house rent? Eh? They will pursue me here. Hi. What kind of thing is this now? Why would I'm a celebrity. Amara.
Oh, I think my wife is back.
Oh, really?
Welcome.
You? What are you doing here?
You both know each other?
Yes, I know her. Who is she?
She's my wife.
No, your wife? That can't be. She cannot be your wife.
I think I just have to leave the ladies to catch up. Old time sake, I guess.
Yes, honey, yes.
You. How dare you do this to my cousin?
I am sorry. I can't explain.
Explain what?
I have broken up with Ndobisi. I promise I will not do it again. Please, help me save my marriage.
Look, what you are asking me to do is impossible. It kills where I come from. Look, I will not fold my hands and watch you kill my cousin. No, it will not happen.
I'm sorry, I will not do it again. I promise. Please.
You're telling me you will not do it again? Is it because you caught your lover boy with my roommate today? Is that the reason for the breakup? Huh. You are wicked. You are mean.
No. Yes. No, I was upset that I caught him cheating on me. And no, because I've come to realize that my husband is a good person. He loves me and he doesn't deserve all the things that I have been doing to him.
Enough of all these lies.
Please help me save my marriage.
Wicked. A married woman. Sleeping with a small boy. I'm out of here.
Has bitterness at end. There is time for everything. Be careful in this life. Magonye marifena balalo. A word is enough for a wise. Stop boasting. What goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. Stop boasting, stop boasting. What goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. Madabura chukwa. Anarejo wanaka. Ejiru wemano. What goes up must come down. Madabura chukwa. What goes up must come down. The deed is done. Will of God, man. It's never the will of man. I thank God Almighty, cause God will not be man. If men we are God, my situation would have been worst. Man, I can hear him chimo. On your full Alisa, can hear me out. Can hear him chimo. On your floor is a Keneremia, no look. They want my life to be useless. They call me source of names. My God has shown me mercy.
Where are you going?
I am an adult, Tony.
You are still my wife. Where are you going?
I'm sorry. I can't tell.
What else are you hiding from me?
What are you talking about?
Tony, you have no right whatsoever to go through my property without my permission. No right whatsoever.
So you have been pregnant and you didn't bother to tell me about
Tony,
it?
it was a mistake.
This is fake. It's fake.
Do you think I'm a fool? I went to Dr. Chima's office and he confirmed that you're pregnant. I've known for over a week now. Why did you choose to hide it from me?
I'm sorry. I didn't. I'm sorry. I didn't.
Listen, right. This is a thing of joy. This is what we've been looking for. Mama will be so happy. You don't mean to hide it from me. It's worth celebrating.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hide this.
Ozioma, have you told your brother about his wayward wife? Or did you intend to let it go?
Honestly, I've been thinking about it. This is difficult for me, you know. Especially seeing her lose her child.
Don't tell me you're pitying her. Do you know what she did kills? What if she kills your brother and then run away with his money? Did you think of that?
Come on. She said she has broken up with him.
Really?
Yes.
And you believed her? Okay, what if they are seeing somewhere else? Or she has gotten another man?
Ma, what do you expect me to do? I need time. I need time to process all this. They are my family, you know. As it stands now, I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
You don't need to be confused. Refuse to be confused. If you value your family, if you value your brother, you need to tell him about his wife. Before you lose him.
It's easy for you to say because they are not your family. Please, just allow me to process all these things.
It's just a baby shower.
Just a baby shower? What stupid baby shower is that? Tony, I've been pregnant twice in this house and not for once have you done a baby shower for me. So why is this one different? Explain to me why this one is different. Is she giving birth to Jesus Christ?
I was planning to do same for you before you lost a child.
I don't believe you. Tony, you lie a lot. I do not believe you. Tony, if you want peace in this house, abort that plan. Do not go ahead with this plan. I repeat, do not go ahead with this plan. Else I will leave this house with my son. Because it's obvious that you people don't even need us in this house. We are useless.
I already know that's the next thing you're going to say. Always threatening me with leaving with my son. Are you not tired?
You think this is a threat, right? Tony, you think this is a threat. So all these things I'm saying, you think I'm just making my mouth. I will live with Chinoso this time around and nobody will stop me. Not even your mother will stop me.
What about love? Are you sure there is love? What about peace of mind? Check it well for me. Check it well. To be my head. Don't force marriage, you consider well. What about love? Are you sure there is love? What about peace of mind? Check it well for me. Check it well for me. To be my head. Don't force marriage, you
So, did I tell you that Tony was bedwetting until his final year in primary school?
Mama.
This is unbelievable. Mama, he was a lovely kid though.
Of course, I know he would have been a lovely child, but bedwetting.
God will judge and punish you all for all you have done to us. I'm living with my son.
You're living with who?
I'm living with Chinoso.
Amara, you can't.
Who is going to stop me? Him or you?
No one. Yes. Nobody will stop you if you choose to go. But for your information, don't live with my son.
He is my son. Where I stay is where he will be. Wicked people.
You know he must surely come back to us. You already know.
Let me just follow what the lawyer said for now.
The choice is yours.
It's problem.
I'm living with him.
So as I was saying,
wow. Who are those in this compound? Come. Nkechi. Come. Who?
How may I help you?
How may you help me in my house? See, young man, I don't know you, but let me tell you, I am the landlord of this compound.
Landlord? I'm not even aware. I thought it was these people that were preparing for bed in the morning. One of them, because their boss was loading outside. If you're better again, so I did not even, that was why I did not even recognize you. Welcome, sir.
Me? Wearing a burial clothes?
Yes.
Come, young man, be careful with me. I am not here to joke.
I did not know, sir.
A lot for 4 days. I need my money.
I won't mark the money, please. I was even saying I will look for the landlord and call you and tell you. There's no money now. Chicken, I don't have now. I'm going to yesterday dinner, please. There are things that are not going well for me now. If you know, there's no light and there's no AC. My fan is spoiled.
Nkechi, finish first. I'm coming.
If it's about the money, I will give you. Upon say there is light, I'm outside now, sleeping. So I thought it was burial people that was going. That was now.
Young man, I am not going to any burial. I am here to collect my money.
Oh, you're not going for the burial?
No.
Okay.
I'm here for my money.
You have to be patient, landlord. Just be patient with me. I will give you the money.
Also, patient where? How? See, young man, I don't have time for any patience or anything at all. I am here for my money. Please give me my money. Give me my money.
Just give me time.
Time?
Time.
No, that's not what I don't have. Oh. I don't have any time. My children are in school. I need to pay the school fees. Please, I need my money. You know what thing? I will go. But I will come back by the weekend if you don't have my money to pay me. Pack out from here. Look at this lazy man. Do you think I run a charity organization here?
Please.
Look for my money and give to me.
Adopt me.
Huh?
Ostika, adopt me. Let me follow you before I go for burial. Do you know rice?
No, man, I'm not going to any burial.
Oh, yeah.
I've told you before. Don't get me angry. Don't get me angry. What kind of... Who even allowed this money? I don't even know. Weekend. Kechi. Okay. Are you running? Okay. Okay, for.
My sister's hatred is getting worse day by day. I don't know what to do.
My dear, what is it? It's okay. Oh yeah, go and get her camphor also. Go. Oh? Mama, it's okay. It's okay.
Thank you, Mama.
It's okay. It's okay.
Ma, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for being so cruel to you in the past. I was just so angry. But I know it's not a justification for all the mean things that I did to you. I'm so ashamed of myself. I can't even ask you for anything or accept anything from you because I know I did not help you when you came to me for help. Even though I was in a position to help you. Mama, be cool.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
No, don't try that. I understood, my daughter. I understood what you were going through. The anger and the pain. I am your mother. When you needed me most, I was not there with you. Everything is going to be fine. It's okay, my dear. Oh? You're welcome. Please, I want to ask you something. One thing, no, 2 things.
Okay,
please.
Go ahead, Mama.
Amara, I want you to find a way to patch up things with your sister. What? Amara Chukwu, she is your blood sister. Uju is your elder sister. Your flesh and blood. Please. I want you to come together with her. Please, forgive whatever. Biko Nwam. Ada. No.
Ma, what's the second thing you said you want to ask me of?
The second thing is this. Nonso, you cannot cater for Nonso. You can hardly take care of him. Now, Nonso is growing. And his responsibilities is growing too. Eh? See, Amara, I encourage you to accept whatever Tony offers you. Nonso is his son. It's his responsibilities. He has to take good care of his son. Allow him.
Mama, Nonso is my son alone.
No, he is not your son alone. Nonso has a father, which is Tony. Tony is his father, and you should allow Tony to take good care of his son. You can't do this, my daughter, please. You cannot. Nemo, Ada, please.
Mama, when is he coming to take back the bride price? I just want this whole thing done and over.
It is okay, but will you accept whatever he gives to you for his son? Will you? Just do what I'm asking you. Be cool. Mama, Ada. Oh yeah, go and get the account. Go and buy the account. Oh? Yes. Nemo.
My daughter. Should we go ahead with returning of the bride price this young man paid on your head?
Yes, Uncle.
Good.
That is all we want to hear. You can go back now.
we can now go ahead with the business of the day.
You see, none of us planned for things to work out this way. But
I didn't do anything for you, Joe. I did it to set myself free.
that is not what I meant.
I did it for myself.
Come on, Amara. Let's put things behind us. All that's happened is in the past now. You can't keep fighting. And for how long? Months? Years? Perhaps forever? Come on, Amara. You can't keep being angry with me. Surrender your boxing gloves. It's okay. It's okay. You are my blood sister. It's fine.
Not so my grandson. He's such a calm boy. Even the teacher told me that this boy is very, very calculative. And he pays attention to teachers.
Really? Like father, like son. Anthony was like this when he was his age.
That is true.
My people, I want to sincerely thank you all. I thank you so much for ensuring that peace is maintained in my family. And for that reason, I will make sure that Amara is perfectly settled.
Amara, my son is very serious about this.
So, having said that, I'd like to ask Amara here to tell us whatever it is that you want to do. Just open up and tell me, and it will be done.
Amara, my daughter, you have heard everything. So, what do you have to say?
Once again, I want to apologize to everyone I might have troubled this past few years. I'm genuinely sorry for my actions. Thank you, Joe.
Amara, you don't have to apologize again. They are all in the past now.
It's okay.
Mama, I would like to go back to school and get a degree in nursing.
Oh, that's great.
So what do you think about studying nursing abroad?
Huh?
Okay, fine then. I'll work it out for you to study nursing in London.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, my son. My in-law, thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
This world is not a bed of roses. Every sweet thing at times has bitterness at end. There is time for everything. Be careful in this life. Makonye marifena balawayu. A word is enough for a wise. Stop boasting. What goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. Stop boasting, stop boasting. And I read you when I
Don't do my mom. Only the Lord. Only the Lord. Welcome.
Oh, I'm back. I'm back from Odo. I'm back from the city. Finally back from Odo.
What happened?
Oh,
I thought you were doing well in the city. How come you just came back with the dust bag and the same similar clothes that you left?
Me too. I was thinking that I was doing well until I'm here now. I did not even see money to give work. I was trekking. Look at my mates coming back to this village with cars, baby cars. I came back almost the way I left. No problem. I don't want to discuss about it.
It seems that you and Amra planned it. Amra came back. Her husband sent her packing according to what I heard.
Is it?
Her husband sent her packing.
Is it like?
I don't know.
Are you serious?
Amra is in this village now. What has it?
Amra is in the village.
You don't go plan it.
I'm not aware.
Huh? Well, since you came back, I know you'll be hungry now. At least
I'm not hungry.
Eat food so I can get strength. I will need to Why will you start from meat? I don't understand. You busy.
This world is not a bed of roses. Every sweet thing at times has bitterness at end. There is time for everything. Be careful in this life. Makonye marifena balawayu. A word is enough for a wise. Stop boasting. What goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. Stop boasting, stop boasting. And I read you when I can. What goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. Madabura chukwa. And I read you.